Hello viewers, welcome to CodeForAny Fruit Markets apps inside. Today we need to see here the item detail screens inside. We need to put this here the review list. We need to add here this screens inside. We need to set here the review list and to show this here the related to all user give this here ratings. We need to show here ratings and as well as we need to show here the review message. Like so we need to develop here the UI. First of all, we need to find here the screens. We need to go inside the screen folders. Inside we need to go inside the home folders and to select this here the detail screens. I've already called this here the API and inside we need to get this here the review list. Need to get here. Now we need to check here the list again. So need to create here the review array like here. Now need to copy here and we need to paste this here the detail object optionals and we need to get this here the review list review list as need to give this here the list and we need to set here select this now we need to make here the UI and we need to set this here so we need to copy here the all this data we need to paste here and now need to set here the review and ratings show like here and we need to increase this here the size space like here review and ratings set here user reviews and now we need to make here the UI need to create here the row first of all so need to make here remove here the this dot set here the icon here not any set here the user image that's why I need to directly use this here the person icon set here the size 30 show like yours maybe need to set here the 50 here's expand it to create here the column show here the name of reviews users need to set here the rating review array like here's click on back open this years and you need to get this years console log nutrition array and review list inside you need to get this here the user id message and name is this user not provided that's why I need to get here the blank here's need to show here's if you set here the name user and to show here's now we need to show here the message of the review need to set here the primary and font weight set here the bold and 14 show set here the cross axis elements as I need to set here the start like this show here and to call here. Wrap with here the row again, and we need to set here space between, like this we need to put here, and we need to go inside here the put cells, and we need to copy any rating bars with ignores pointers. Need to need here, copy, and we need to apply here. Paste, import this here, this rating, and we need to give this here the an object, and we need to check this here the rates value. Need to set here the rate and show like this here. Otherwise maybe we need to cut this here and show like here. Need to database instead directly need to set this username, so need to configure here JSON boy. Need to back here and again opens and to get this here the value, maybe here primary text show like here, and also need to configure this here the cross axis alignment. Need to set as a start show like here for these users. Create here the containers, box decorations, set here color, the color primary with opacity, zero point 0.2. Border radius we need to set this here the circular 30 and show like yours. We need to set here the 40. Increase this here the width and height 60, and set here the size to set here the 10 with space. Show like here this review list, the good products. Like we need to showing here for this users the ratings we need to show here every year. Same here show this here like this review or these items we need to show here. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down the comment section. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.